In this video, we're going to learn how to set up our drawing in Photoshop to create a 3-inch button. So let's get started. This is just a sample, so we have something to follow and refer to. I'm going to go to File and New. You might have a custom sized all set to go, but let's do this from scratch here. Over on the right, we've got pixels. We want to switch that to inches. We want to do a width. We're changing that to 3.5 or 3.5. And with the height, 3.5. Let's make our resolution 300. And then we'll keep everything else the same as you see here. So you might want to pause and make sure all of this matches. So we'll hit create. And then there's our blank canvas. Now, if you don't have your rulers set up, you're going to need them. I believe we can go to Window and Rulers here. Or maybe it's under View. There it is. If you go to View and Rulers, you can get your rulers to come up, or you can simply hit Control plus R, Control R on the keyboard. But my rulers are here, so we're good to go. So the next thing we want to do is set up our guidelines here. So we're going to go to View and New Guideline. We're at vertical, and we're going to do the first one at 0.5. So there's our first one. Let's go back in again, new guide, and we're going to do 3, still vertical. That puts this one here. This leaves a 1/2 inch gap here and a 1/2 inch gap here. Now we're putting one on the top and the bottom. So we're going to go to View and New Guide and switch to horizontal and 0.5. We'll put that one up there. View, New Guide, and 3. So now we have our guidelines set up, and we have our basic, what we call the canvas, set up. All right, more in the next video. But before we do that, we're going to go to File, and we're going to Save. In this case, we'll go Save As. Make sure you put it on your computer and put it in, you can see right here, this is my comp folder, and I'm going to put down DUTTON, and for me, I'm putting the word demo 01, just so not to get confused with everything else, but you'll give it your own proper name. Now I could use this as a template whenever I want to open up a new document, creating the button, of course. All right, next video coming up.